Okay students, now we will discuss the form of any relation, okay, defined on a set. So there are three form of any relation to be defined here, to be shown here. First is roster form. See students, here suppose we will take an example here. Let set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and set B is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 20 up to 20. Then a relation defined from set A to B is here has as its square. Means first component, the square of first component is equal to second component. This is a relation defined from set A to B. Then that relation will be given or represented by the curly bracket here 1 1. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 20. This is a relation has as its square, okay, from set A to B. Then this form is called roster form. Roster form, okay. And suppose we want to represent this form in set builder form or rule form, then we can write this relation as R is a relation from set A to B, means set of all order pair x y such that x belongs to set A and y belongs to set B. Also there is a rule or association which relate x to y. It means what relate x to y? X square of x is y. It means you can write here x square is equal to y. This is a relation defined by x square is equal to y. So this is called set builder form. Set builder form. This we have already discussed in set theory, okay. Now third way of representation of any relation from set A to B is ray diagram or arrow diagram. See students, here this can be written as 1 is related to 1, 2 is related to 4, 3 is related to 9 and 4 is related to 16. So here we can write 1 related to 1, 2 related to 4, 3 related to 9 and 4 related to 16. This may be represented by arrow diagram here. See here students, 1 is related to 1. So I will draw a ray here just like this and I will put here R. R for a symbol for or association of relation, okay. 2 is related to 4, then again I will 3 is related to 9, arrow diagram, then 4 is related to 16. And this R represent a relation from set A to B, or this is an association which represent a relation of elements of A to relation of element to B. And this capital R shows that this element is related to 1, or this can be written as 1 1 belongs to relation R, 2 4 belongs to relation R, and similarly this and this, okay. So these all order pairs are belonging to relation R that I represented here. This is an arrow diagram or ray diagram. This is roster form and this is set builder form, okay. We will discuss more question further. Thank you.